Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two-part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all 4 grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 8 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 5 Cell Structure and Function. Video Part 1, Question number 1. Which one of the following is not included in the nucleus? Endoplasmic reticulum, DNA, gene, chromosome, or none of these? I have pasted the picture of the nucleus here. You can see the endoplasmic reticulum. It is outside the nucleus. DNA I have shown here. DNA is inside the chromosome and gene is inside the DNA. Gene is the genetic material which carries the behavior or the resemblance from one generation to another generation. And chromosome is also found in the nucleus only. So answer will be your endoplasmic reticulum. It is not found inside the nucleus. Okay. So first answer will be option A. Question number 2. The liquid in the nucleus is actually liquid is found inside your cell also and in the nucleus also. Okay. The liquid found in the nucleus, that is known as nucleoplasm, and the liquid found in the cell, that is known as cytoplasm. Okay. And both collectively known as protoplasm. The liquid found in the nucleus, that is your nucleoplasm. So second answer will be option B. Question number 3. Which one of the following is related to inheritance of characters from one generation to another? Cell membrane and cytoplasm, nucleus and mitochondria, chloroplast and cell membrane, chromosome and genes. Actually, the inheritance of the characters means the nature from one generation to the another generation is carried out by the genes, which is found inside your DNA, and DNA is found inside your chromosome. Okay, answer will be your option D. Third answer is option D. You can see here in the cell there is the nucleus. Inside the nucleus there is the chromosome, and chromosome consists DNA, and DNA contains gene. Okay. Question number 4. Which one of the following is present in animal, plant, and bacterial cell? Means all three cells, these things are common. So you can see cytoplasm is found in all three cells. Plasma membrane, that is known as cell membrane, also is found in the all three cells, and ribosome is found in all three cells. So you can say cell membrane will be the answer. Fourth answer is option D. Question number 5. Which one of the following statement is correct? Unicellular organism do not reproduce? No. If anything is a living thing, then it will definitely reproduce. This is the main characteristics of the living thing. So it is wrong, not correct. In unicellular organism, tissues work in coordination to perform different functions. Actually, there is the unicellular organism, so there is no chance of tissue because Tissue is the collection of cell which performs some specific task. Okay, so this is also wrong. Unicellular organism respire and reproduce. Yes, this is the basic characteristics of the living things. And if anything is the living organism, so definitely it will respire and reproduce. Unicellular organism do not require food. No, living things always require food. This is also wrong. Fifth answer will be option C. Question number 6. Shefali accidentally touched a glass of hot water and immediately withdrew her hand back. She reacted on sensing the heat due to, so actually when we touch anything, so our nerve cells just activate and nerve cells inform this message to your mind, or sometimes your spinal cord just takes the decision कि there is something harmful, there is something danger. You just remove your hand, you remove yourself from that side. Okay, so those are the nerve cells only which transfer message. The sixth answer will be option D. Question number 7. The table given below has certain terms and 5 species named A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, we have to just fill it. So bacteria, feature and part, and its feature is movement. Function is the movement. So what thing moves in the bacteria? So that is your flagella. A should be your flagella. So flagella is in the option B and in the option D. So C and A is rejected. Plant cell, chloroplast is found. And what is the use of chloroplast inside the plant? Actually, chloroplast contains chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is responsible for the photosynthesis in the plant. So B should be photosynthesis. It is in both of them, so not rejected. Okay. C, spindle shaped, and this. So what is spindle shaped? Our muscles are spindle shaped. Okay, and muscles perform contraction and relaxation both. So C will be your muscle cell, D will be contraction. It is in the nerve cell, so no, it is rejected now. E, selectively permeable, protects the cell from its surrounding. Cell membrane is the selectively permeable, protects the cell from its surrounding. Correct. D is the correct answer. Seventh answer will be option D. Question number 8. Which one of the following statements is correct? They have membrane-bound organelles, including a nucleus. Bacteria are example of prokaryotic cells. Lysosomes are present in eukaryotic cell. Fungi are prokaryotic. So bacteria are the example of prokaryotic cell. Yes, it is correct. Lysosomes are present in eukaryotic cell. Yes, present. Actually, prokaryotic cell, they don't have the definite organelles, and eukaryotic cell have the definite organelles. Okay. Fungi are prokaryotes? No, they are eukaryotes. So option 2 and 3 are correct only. So that's why option C will be the answer. I have just shown here the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So you can see prokaryotic cell have very less number of organelles, while eukaryotic cell have very large number of organelles. Eighth answer will be option C. Question number 9. Ant amoeba and Giardia are multicellular prokaryotic protozoans, unicellular eukaryotic protozoans, unicellular prokaryotic protozoans, multicellular eukaryotic amoeba. So none of these. So what will be the answer? Actually, ant amoeba is the unicellular and Giardia is your eukaryotic protozoan. I have just shown here the picture. You can see and understand it. So ninth answer will be option E. Okay. Question number 10. Given figure is showing. So what is this? So this shape has a virus. Okay. This is the shape of a virus. So 10th answer will be option B. Question number 11. Match the following. Laminaria. So laminaria is found in your algae. Okay. Algae. Laminaria. Paramecium. तो पैरामीशियम is a example of protozoa. ठीक है. पेनिसिलियम, तो पेनिसिलियम is the example of your fungi. Should we tell your algae only? Actually, this. Yes. Streptococcus. So this is a type of bacteria. So 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B. It is in the option number D. 11th answer will be option D. Question number 12. Which one of the following is a type of plastids? So chloroplast, chromoplast or leucoplast. What are the type of plastid? So you can see all of them are the type of plastid because this is the plastid, protoplastid, etioplastid, and etioplastid has the chromoplast and chloroplast and leucoplast. Leucoplast is subdivided into your amyloplast, elioplast and proteinoplast. Okay. So 12 answer will be your option D. Question number 13. In eukaryotes, genes are located in dash of the cell. It is in eukaryotes, genes are located in the nucleus of the cell always. Okay. So 13th answer will be option B. You can just see the picture. This is the eukaryotic cell and it is the zoom picture of nucleus. Nucleus has the chromosome. Chromosome has the DNA and DNA has the genes. Okay. Question number 14. Which one of the following represents parts of an animal cell? So, chloroplast is found in the plant cell, not in the animal cell. So, rejected. Cell membrane is found in the animal cell, correct. Nucleus found in the animal cell, correct. Vacuole, but a big vacuole found in the plant cell only. Okay. So, that's why rejected. Cell membrane, correct. Nucleus, correct. It is your vacuole and mitochondria, and here is the cell wall also. Cell wall is found in your plant cell only. Okay. And vacuole is found here, but vacuole is of very small size. Vacuole in the animal cell is of very small size. So we can consider vacuole also. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It is also found in both the plant cell and animal cell. And ribosome is found in the bacterial cell, plant cell and animal cell, all of them. So that's why we will go with the answer C. So 14th answer is option C. Question number 15. Dash is the unit of inheritance in the living organism. The unit of inheritance, I already explained in the previous questions that gene is the unit of inheritance. Inheritance means carrying the features of from one generation to the another generation. Like your face matches with your parent. And you have some quality which is matching with your grandparents. So this quality when carries from one generation to another generation, so you can say this is the inheritance of the characters, okay, in the living organism. And this is done by the gene only. The 15th answer will be option B. Question number 16. Which one of the following represent the correct level of organization ranging from simplest to most complex? I think it should be organism. It should not be organization. So first, the smallest cell, the unit cell of your body is the cells. And after cell, when cell combine with each other and perform a specific task, then it is your tissue. And tissues combining with each other and form a big material, that is your organ, and organs combining like and perform the task like digestion, respiration, reproduction, excretion. So this is known as the organ system, and by assembling these organ system we form an organism. Okay, so 16th answer will be option A. You can see here this is the cell, then tissue, then organ, and then the organ system, and there is the organism. Similarly, in the plant cell, this is the plant cell, then plant's tissue, then organ, leaf, stem, fruit, flower. These all are the organ of the plant. This is the organ system. Like organ system means which perform photosynthesis, which perform the respiration. This is the organ system, and this is your organism. So 16th answer will be your option A. Question number 17. Red blood cells do not have cell membrane, cytoplasm, plastid and nucleus. Okay? So this is the picture of the red blood cell you can see, and it does not have your plastid. Plastid contained by only plant cell. Actually they perform photosynthesis, and the photosynthetic material like your chlorophyll is found in the plastid. Okay? And nucleus is also not found in the red blood cell. That's why 3 and 4, it is in the option number C. So 17th answer will be option C. Question number 18. Function of a cell are controlled by tissues, cell membrane, nucleus or nuclear membrane. So actually the function of the cell are controlled by nucleus. Okay. 18th answer will be option C. Question number 19. Choose the correct option for labeling the given figure of an animal cell. Option A. You just see here, I have pasted a picture of the animal cell. So this is your nucleus. So here the outside line, that is your cell membrane. So A will be your cell membrane. And it is an animal cell. Animal cell does not have the cell wall. So option A will be selected and B will be selected. D and C both will be rejected. A is the cell membrane. B. What is B? So you can see B is the nucleus. So B is the nucleus. So correct. And C, what is C? Actually very small picture it is, but it is similar to the mitochondria, and D is your Golgi body. That's why B will be the correct answer, A will be rejected. So 19th answer will be option B. Question number 20. The nucleus and the cytoplasm together are known as. So nucleus and cytoplasm are known as protoplasm, are both known as protoplasm. Actually, nucleoplasm is the liquid found inside the nucleus, and cytoplasm is the liquid found inside the cell. And chloroplast is the organelles which contain chlorophyll in a plant cell which perform photosynthesis. So this answer will be option C, that is your protoplasm. So 20 answer is option C. Okay. Question number 17. Red blood cells do not have cell membrane, cytoplasm, plastid and nucleus. Okay. So this is the picture of the red blood cell you can see, and it does not have your plastid. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.